Today's topic is 16 Stress Relief Herbal Tea. We are looking for a healthy tea to help you relax.
There are calming teas that can help with stress relief.
Nervines, nerve tonics and relaxing teas are recommended for stress relief. Nervines like oat straw can be enjoyed at any time, while relaxing teas like lemon balm
And lavender are best for in-the-moment stress relief but should be sipped at night to avoid disrupting sleep. The scent of fragrant herbs like lavender can enhance the relaxing effect.
Although there isn't extensive research on tea's stress-relieving effects, some studies show promise in how specific herbs can calm the body.
Additionally, sitting down with a cup of herbal tea can be therapeutic and a form of meditation. While herbal teas can be a part of a holistic approach to stress relief, it's important to note that individual responses may vary, and they should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment.
Here are 16 stress relief herbal tea. 1. Chamomile and lavender tea.
Chamomile and lavender tea, a soothing blend that promotes relaxation and may improve sleep quality, is a gentle remedy for stress. It offers antiviral, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. To prepare, blend 1 teaspoon chamomile flowers with 1 teaspoon dried lavender in hot water and steep for 5-7 minutes. Remember to consult your doctor before adding herbal teas to your diet, especially if you have specific health conditions or take medications.
2. Lemon balm and peppermint tea.
For stress relief, consider lemon balm and peppermint tea, a calming blend that can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Lemon balm, in particular, is known for its soothing effects, while peppermint tea is valued for its analgesic properties that can help with headaches. Combining 1 teaspoon of lemon balm with 1 teaspoon of peppermint leaves and steeping in boiling water for 5 minutes creates a soothing combination. Remember to consult with your doctor before trying new herbal teas.
3. Holy basil, tulsi, tea.
Holy basil, also known as tulsi, has been used for its health benefits for many years.
When brewed into tea, it offers a range of advantages: stress relief and adaptogen properties.
Holy basil is considered an adaptogen herb and can help reduce mental stress caused by various triggers by influencing cortisol hormones in the blood.
Rich in nutrients.
Fresh holy basil leaves provide essential vitamins A, C, and K and minerals like iron, zinc, calcium, and manganese.
Preparation. Steeping 1 teaspoon of dried holy basil leaves in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Enjoy holy basil tea to experience its calming effects and promote overall well-being. 4. Passion flower and valerian root tea. Bring 1 1/3 cups of water to a light.
Bring to make a soothing passion flower tea.
2. Add 1 teaspoon of valerian root and simmer on low for 20-40 minutes. Remove from heat, add dried passion flower leaves or flowers, and let it steep for 20-30 minutes. Strain out the herbs and serve.
For quicker preparation, mix 1 teaspoon of passion flower with half a teaspoon of valerian root and steep for 10 minutes.
Passion flower and valerian roots promote relaxation and can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep. 5. Rose and hibiscus tea. Recipe for stress-relieving rose and hibiscus tea.
Ingredients:
4 cups of cold water. Hibiscus petals. Rosehip berries.
Instructions:
1. Boil 4 cups of water. 2. Place hibiscus petals and rosehip berries in a teapot. 3. Pour boiling water over the dried ingredients. 4. Cover and steep for 5-7 minutes. 5. Strain the tea into cups.
6.
Sweeten to taste, if desired.
Use filtered water for the best flavor. Consult your doctor before adding herbal teas to your diet, especially if you have health conditions or are on medications. Enjoy your stress-relieving cup of rose and hibiscus tea. 6.
Ashwagandha root tea.
Ashwagandha tea, derived from the roots of the ashwagandha plant, is renowned for its numerous health benefits, particularly in alleviating stress and promoting overall well-being.
Below is a comprehensive overview of ashwagandha tea. 1. Adrenal fatigue management.
Adrenal fatigue, resulting from chronic emotional, physical, and mental stress, can lead to adrenal gland exhaustion.
Ashwagandha counteracts the physiological changes associated with severe stress,
such as elevated cortisol levels and adrenal weight, thus potentially aiding in managing adrenal fatigue.
2. Stress and anxiety reduction.
Functioning as an adaptogen, ashwagandha has the potential to mitigate the adverse effects of heightened cortisol levels,
offering relief from symptoms of chronic stress and anxiety while improving overall quality of life. 3. Mood enhancement.
Studies indicate that ashwagandha root exhibits antidepressant effects and can be a natural mood stabilizer. Its adaptogenic properties may assist the body in coping with physical, mental, and emotional responses to chronic stress. To prepare ashwagandha tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in hot water for 15 minutes. It is essential to seek guidance from a healthcare professional before integrating herbal remedies into your routine. Enjoy your cup of ashwagandha tea. 7.
Mint and chamomile tea.
Herbal teas such as chamomile and mint offer various health benefits.
Chamomile tea. Known for its calming properties, it may help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. To make it, use 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers per cup, pour boiling water over the chamomile, cover with a lid, and steep for 10-20 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Mint tea.
Mint tea may aid digestion, relieve respiratory issues, and offer other benefits such as headache relief, improved oral health, and antioxidant content.
To make mint tea,
brew fresh or dried mint leaves in boiling water for about 5 minutes.
Enjoy hot or iced, sweetened or unsweetened.
Combine 1 teaspoon peppermint leaves with 1 teaspoon chamomile flowers.
Steep for 5-7 minutes. 8. Linden flower tea. Linden flower tea has calming effects, aids digestion, and supports heart health.
It's rich in antioxidants and can boost the immune system. To prepare, steep high-quality dried linden flowers in hot water using a teapot or infuser. To prepare linden flower tea, use high-quality dried linden flowers and steep them in fresh water using a teapot or infuser.
Use 1 teaspoon linden flowers. Steep in boiling water for 5-10 minutes. Enjoy this fragrant and soothing herbal tea to promote relaxation and wellness. 9. Lemon balm and lavender tea. Are you looking for stress relief? Try making a lemon balm and lavender tea. Here are the steps. Stress-relieving lavender lemon balm iced tea. 1. Boil water in a large pot. 2. Add lemon balm and lavender leaves to the water. 3. Remove the pot from heat, cover, and steep for 30 minutes. 4. Strain the leaves and pour the tea into a glass container. 5. Stir in honey. 6. Enjoy it warm or chill it for iced tea. Herbal iced tea, lavender and lemon balm. 1. Steep lemon balm and lavender in hot 80-90 degrees Fahrenheit water for about 3 minutes. 2. Add cold water and ice. 3. Serve over additional ice with lemon wedges.
Stress Me Not tea, lemon balm and lavender blend.
This herbal blend combines organic lavender and lemon balm mint to soothe the mind, alleviate stress, and restore inner balance.
It's a daily ritual of tranquility. Remember to consult your doctor before trying herbal teas, especially if you have health conditions or are taking medications.
Enjoy your stress-relieving tea. 10. Oat straw tea. Oat straw tea is an herbal infusion made from the oat plant stems, leaves, and sometimes flowers. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor with a hint of grassiness and offers several health benefits. These include improved cognitive function, relaxation, stress relief, heart health support, digestive aid, and immune system boost. To make oat straw tea, steep 2-3 tablespoons of dried oat straw in boiling water for 4-8 hours or overnight. Consider a healthcare professional before trying new herbal teas, especially if you have allergies or existing health conditions. 11. Lavender and valerian root tea. For stress relief, consider trying lavender and valerian root tea.
Lavender tea helps reduce anxiety and promotes better sleep.
Brew dried lavender flowers in hot water and add honey or lemon for extra flavor. Valerian root is known for its calming and sleep-enhancing properties. Steep valerian root in hot water for about 10 minutes.
For a calming infusion, combine 1 teaspoon dried lavender with half a teaspoon valerian root. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before trying new herbal teas, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications.
12. St. John's Wort and Lemon Balm Tea.
St. John's Wort and Lemon Balm Tea is a soothing blend known for its mood-enhancing and relaxation properties.
To make the tea, follow these steps. 1. Use 1 tablespoon of dried St. John's Wort and Lemon Balm from a reputable supplier. 2. Boil 1 cup of water. 3.
Add the dried St. John's Wort and Lemon Balm to the boiling water and steep it for 5-7 minutes.
4. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon for flavor. 13. Catnip and chamomile tea.
Catnip and chamomile tea are soothing blends with potential stress relief benefits. Catnip is a subtle addition to herbal tea blends, while chamomile is known for its calming and immune-boosting properties. Combine catnip and chamomile for a soothing herbal teacup, and add peppermint for extra flavor. Use 1 teaspoon catnip leaves with 1 teaspoon chamomile flowers.
Steep for 5-7 minutes.
Remember, herbal teas can be an excellent way to unwind and find comfort.
14. Ginseng and peppermint tea.
Ginseng and peppermint tea is a delightful blend that combines the stimulating properties of ginseng with the refreshing taste of peppermint. It boosts energy levels, enhances stamina, and reduces stress. Peppermint provides a soothing flavor and is known for its calming effects, helping to reduce stress and anxiety.
Remember to steep your herbal tea properly.
Heat fresh, filtered water to a rolling boil, pour 6 ounces over the tea bag, and steep for 5-7 minutes. Enjoy this stress-relieving cup.
15. Skullcap and lemon balm tea. Combine 1 part dried skullcap, 1 part dried lemon balm, 1/2 part dried chamomile, 1/2 part dried passion flower, and 1/2 part dried motherwort.
Adjust amounts based on your preference.
Pour boiling water over the herb blend and steep it for 10-15 minutes.
Strain the tea and sweeten it with honey if desired.
Sip before bedtime for relaxation and restful sleep. Enjoy.
16.
Rosemary and lavender tea. Remember the benefits and preparation of lavender rosemary tea. Lavender, calming effects, stress relief, and relaxation. Rosemary, culinary versatility, memory enhancement, and anti-inflammatory properties. Blending,
choose quality herbs. Perfect ratios are essential.
Brewing,
use precise water temperature and steeping times.
Taste, delicate floral notes and earthy, piney essence.
Health benefits, stress relief, relaxation, brain health, and improved mood.
Consider brewing lavender rosemary tea for a soothing cup. Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.